Hello everyone, in this Canva tutorial I will show you how to convert a colorful photo to black and white, and there are two methods and I will explain them both to you. I will begin with the method I use most frequently. Start by selecting the photo and then click on Edit Photo. Then navigate to Adjust and scroll down a bit until you locate the saturation option under Colors. Adjust the saturation by moving the adjustment slider all the way to the left and setting it to -100. Then you can also explore other options in the adjustment panel, such as contrast button found under lights, or use the button highlights. If you use these buttons, your photo will change. There are numerous options to experiment with. My advice is to try each button and then choose the effect you prefer. If you make a mistake, you can easily go back and use these keyboard shortcuts on your computer, or click on this button from Canva. To restore the full color of your picture, you have to simply click on Reset Adjustments. Now introduce the second method. You have to scroll back up and click on Effects. Then scroll down a bit until you find the black and white filter. This is a quicker way to add the black and white color effect to your photos. However, I must say that I don't always find it aesthetically pleasing or beautiful. As you can see, there are multiple black and white effects to choose from here. You can only adjust the intensity of this effect. You cannot change anything else about it. So that is the reason why I prefer the first method, because you can change more. Then you can revert to the original by clicking on None in the filter adjustments. There's one more tip I want to share with you. If your photos has white borders like mine, you can easily merge these borders into the entire image by clicking on your right mouse button and then choose Set Image as Background. And then if you double click, you can also adjust where you want the photo to be placed. And then my design is finished. And this video too. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a like or leave a comment or subscribe. Not only do I appreciate it, but you also be helping others who might be facing the same issue as you.